What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Apple Insider. Now, we usually cover all things Apple, but when a product truly disrupts the industry, we have to talk about it. And today, that's the Nothing Phone 3a. The latest from Carl Pei's Nothing is here, and it's shaking up the smartphone world once again. Let's dive in. Nothing has been on a roll, blending minimalism, transparency, and unique design choices to create a lineup that stands out in a sea of glass slabs. The 3a continues that legacy, but with a twist. It's an affordable version of the Nothing Phone 3, aimed at shaking up the mid-range market. So, what's new? The Nothing Phone 3a keeps the iconic transparent back and glyph interface, but with some strategic cost-cutting. It ditches wireless charging and swaps out the flagship chipset for a more efficient yet powerful processor, rumored to be the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3. And honestly, that might be a smart move. The glyph interface is still here, but Nothing has optimized it for better battery life and new customization options. Think of it like Apple's Live Activities but with light, notifications, call indicators, and even AI-powered dynamic lighting that adapts to your environment. Now, performance-wise, the 3a isn't trying to compete with the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But in the mid-range segment, it's a serious contender. The optimized Nothing OS 2.5, based on Android 14, delivers a smooth, near-stock experience with a few AI-driven enhancements. And then there's the camera system, still rocking dual 50-megapixel sensors but with improved computational photography. Nothing has learned from past criticisms, and now we're looking at better low-light performance, faster shutter speeds, and an AI-assisted portrait mode that actually rivals Apple's. Battery life. The 3a packs a 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. No MagSafe equivalent here, but at this price point, that's expected. And speaking of price, $399. That's right, the Nothing Phone 3a is coming in at a price that undercuts most mid-range competitors, including the iPhone SE3. But is it worth switching from Apple? Apple's ecosystem is unbeatable, but for those who want something fresh, a more customizable OS, and a transparent design, the Nothing Phone 3a is hard to ignore. The iPhone SE might have the A15 chip, but its design is dated, and it lacks the modern display, battery life, and customization of the 3a. So, should you buy the Nothing Phone 3a in 2025? If you're an Apple user deep in the ecosystem, probably not. But if you're looking for something unique, affordable, and packed with personality, this might just be the best mid-range phone of the year. Let me know in the comments, would you consider switching to Nothing? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech coverage. See you in the next one.